Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 5.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chinese electric vehicle builder NIO will receive $740 million in fresh capital injection from an Abu Dhabi government-backed firm, CYVN Holdings, as the company beefs up its balance sheet at a time of a bruising price war in the industry, which has seen price-sensitive investors migrating to cheaper models. European markets have continued to struggle after the IFO in Germany warned that a recession would be sharper than expected in the second half of the year, and UK core inflation unexpectedly jumped to a new 32-year high. Bitcoin has broken $30,000 for the second time this year amid bullish sentiment in the market, following a number of traditional finance players pushing further into crypto. The last time Bitcoin reached above $30,000 was in April of 2023.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The French business climate in manufacturing will be released at 06:45 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 hours GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.